The Lizzie Borden House in Fall River, Massachusetts, holds a dark and mysterious legacy. On a warm morning in 1892, the home became the site of one of the most infamous crimes in American history. Andrew and Abby Borden, a wealthy couple, were brutally murdered with an axe in their own home. Their daughter, Lizzie Borden, was accused of the crime but was later acquitted, leaving the case unsolved and shrouded in mystery. Today, the house is a bed and breakfast, but it's far from ordinary. Guests who dare to stay overnight report chilling encounters with the spirits of Andrew and Abby. Some have heard heavy footsteps echoing down the hallways, while others claim to have seen ghostly figures standing silently in the corners of the rooms. One visitor described waking up to a cold, eerie feeling, only to see a shadowy figure standing at the foot of their bed. In the basement, guests and staff often feel an invisible presence watching them, and some have even heard the faint sound of a woman crying. The Lizzie Borden House remains a popular destination for those seeking a brush with the paranormal, a place where history